and welcome back to Cat Plays Pokemon Crystal! In the last episode, we made our way to Azalea Town. Or is it Azalea City? I kind of lost track. Anyways, I don't really know what's gonna happen from here, but let's go! Who knows? We might, solve some mysteries or something. Their tails are being sold somewhere? Hey! What's going on here? I don't know what we're supposed to do. Like, what are we supposed to do? Like... This is such a pain. I guess we're supposed to go to the forest. Oh, look, a Pokemon! I guess we're supposed to go to the forest and go, figure out what the heck is going on. I haven't played this game in ages, so I'm sorry if I don't seem that well informed. We've explored out around town. Okay, let's go to the forest. Oh, this is super pretty. Oh, it's an Oddish. What a unique Pokemon. So to recap, last time we took on the gym and made our way to Azalea Town. Or Azalea City? I don't know. I think it's Azalea Town. Should we catch some Pokemon while we're here? Fill out the Pokédex. And I'm sorry that I almost forgot to film. I've just been so, like, high-strung today, like, panicked and shit today. So, flying types are probably going to be the best for this kind of situation. Alright, so we're just gonna try and catch this guy. Or girl. I don't know what I'm gonna name her. Okay, let's catch it. What should I call her? And we may add this friend to our team later, so stick with it. Gotcha, Oddish was caught. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oddish, the weed Pokemon. During the day, it stays in the cold underground to avoid the sun. It grows by bathing in moonlight. Ooh, how about we name her after a gym leader? Let's call her Gardenia. Her name should be Gardenia. That's a keeper. Aww, I kinda like this Pokemon. But not really what we need, so we're gonna head out. Maybe I might name it Quackers? Wow, there sure are a lot of Psyduck here. I'm sorry guys, there's just too many Pokemon here. I want to catch a Pikachu. Like, I really want to catch a Pikachu. Nice. I'll save that. I don't know what our objective here is. Hold on, I gotta look at a walkthrough for this. Ooh, actually I want to catch this Venonat. It's a cute Pokemon, but I don't know. I'm just like looking around, I guess. So this episode, I guess we're gonna explore the forest. Probably look for that guy that everyone's talking about. I don't really know what's going on here, so let's just explore the forest in the meantime. Wish I could figure out what we're supposed to do. What should we do? Like, we don't have any clear objective, y'all. What's this? Maybe we should go into this person's house. Hmm? Who are you? Cat, eh? Want me to make some Pokeballs? Okay. Do you know Team Rocket? Don't worry. I'll tell you anyhow. Team Rocket's an evil gang that uses Pokemon for their dirty work. They're supposed to have disbanded 3 years ago. Anyways, they're at the well, cutting off Slowpoke tails for sale. Hang on, Slowpoke. Old Kurt is on his way. Okay. Grandpa's gone. I'm so lonely. Aww. I'm gonna go grab this berry real quick. Oh, it's an apricorn, so you're supposed to... I guess you're supposed to use these apricorns to, like, make Pokeballs and stuff. Sweet. Let's go heal up my team. Alright, should we add our new team member? Sorry guys, I'm, like, super confused because I played Heart Gold and Soul Silver when I was, like, a kid, but I don't really remember the story and stuff. We hope to see you again. Okay. With that, we're gonna head out to... Oh, hey, dude. Yeah, over here. What's this sign say? Slowpoke Well, also known as the Rainmaker Well. Yo. Alright, y'all, here we go. So our objective this time is we're gonna fight Team Rocket. We're gonna fight Team Rocket. Save the day. Rocket Grunt wants to battle. Okay, let's see what Pokemon he's got. Rattata, of course. Oh, hey, Gardenia joined our team. So, people in the comments below, what is your favorite Pokemon? I want to know. And also, which starter Pokemon would you pick? So if you were doing this playthrough, what would your starter be? Let me know in the comments below. Me? I chose Cyndaquil. I almost decided on the name Cinnamon, but I thought that was silly. Sorry, I'm like really hungry and just want some Cheetos. Toasty! Oh, he leveled up! Nice! Wonderful, he leveled up. And we stopped the Team Rocket guy. Yeah, you're right, this is not your day. This is my day. It's gonna be my day, even though my dad got mad at me and forced me to do all the laundry. Typhoon is evolving! Oh wow, what's he gonna evolve into? Oh wow! Typhoon evolved into Quilava! He's so cute! Let's check out the Pokédex and see what it says about Quilava. Quilava, the volcano Pokemon. Before battle, it turns on hold on. Quilava, the volcano Pokemon. Before battle, it turns its back on its opponent to demonstrate how ferociously its fire blazes. Let's see what it said about Cyndaquil. Cyndaquil, the fire mouse Pokemon. The fire that spouts from its back burns hottest when it is angry. The flaring flames intimidate foes. Let's check out our Pokédex real quick. And I'll run through like the Pokédex entries and stuff as we play. Let's put Hedwig at the front of our party. Okay, we'll rumble. That's fine by me. Also, you guys can't see it, but I am currently lounging in my beanbag chair with my Ingo pillow. For those of y'all who don't follow me on TikTok, I have a body pillow of Ingo that I like to cuddle. He's very soft and cuddly. Definitely recommend. Alright. Let's lower its stats. Oh no. He took some of her health. Let's send in Sunny to do something. We need to train up Sunny a little bit, because I think he's probably going to be a part of our team for a while, so... Also, the higher your Pokemon's defenses, little tip for you people who haven't played, try and raise your Pokemon's defense as much as possible. Because if you do that, it'll make it like, so they're like really strong and tough. Oh no. I hate Zubats. Honestly, I'm just gonna like pray to heavens that that doesn't happen. Honestly. Oh, good. Sunny may not be the strongest, but he's pretty strong. So, a little bit of the backstory on why I named it Sunny. Send an Emmett. Oh wait, no, he only knows Poison Sting. Let's send back in... Let's send in Typhoon. A little bit of backstory as to why I chose the name Sunny. When I was playing through Heart Gold Soul Silver, I had a Sandshrew on my team. It was a girl Sandshrew, but... its name was Sunny. And I kept it on my team. I was super into, like, Wings of Fire at the time. I'd love to catch one of those. It's so cool looking. Stall for time. Oh, we don't have... We can at least lower its accuracy and evasiveness. And then send back in our Quilava. I really should have stocked up on potions before this, but like I just wanted to like go and do this. So, oh no. So after this we're gonna have to like get the hell out of here. Cause may I have a poison cure berry? Poison types are like super dangerous. Ooh, lucky shot! W cat. Okay, well, like, we're gonna have to, like, get the hell out of here. Aww. There's not a thought in your head, is there, Slowpoke? Slowpoke is adorable, but there's probably not a single thought in its head. Anyways, we gotta go heal up our team. Sorry for the flashy. Oh, and flash warning. Because I forgot to mention, this does have some flashing lights a little bit. Anyways. Let's go ahead and, like, heal up our team and, like, stock up on the goods we need. Where's the Pokemart? Where's the Pokemart? I need to stock the Pokemart. There it is. There's the store. Pop into the store. Oh, cool. They have charcoal on sale. Let's get, like... 2 of these? No. Let's just use these for now. Let's see if we have anything. That we can... Nah. I think we're good on stuff for now. Comment below what your favorite game is and what Pokemon game you guys would like to see me play through after this. Because I would totally be up to play more of them. Oh, there's a Slowpoke. It's kind of derpy looking. They're so derpy. I want to catch one just because how derpy they are. They're so derpy looking. I love them. Aren't they though, like? Y'all, can we all just agree that Slowpokes are like the most derpy looking thing? They don't have much rep to begin with. Oh, I'm so scared. I know I don't like cuss a whole lot in my videos, but that's just because I want to keep things wholesome. Oh, dang. Pop those knuckles, yeah. There we go. I might want to catch one of those, they're super cute. If we catch one, we're gonna call it... Oh wait, we did catch one and we named it Havarti. So what move should we get rid of? Let's go with something, let's go with Growl. Because Growl, I don't really use Growl. Even though it like lowers the attack power. Full disclosure, I don't really use that move, even though it does lower attack power. Those are such a nuisance. Y'all, I'm really hoping that they send in a freaking bug type so we can try out the new move. Oh wait, I just realized the gym here is a bug type gym. I can't wait to use that move in the bug type gym later. I call these things cave flies because they're so annoying. If I catch one, I'm naming it Cave Fly. That kind of makes sense because it flies and it lives in a cave. Toasty! I love the like animations and stuff. It's super old school and like totally retro. I totally love it. Now you will see Typhoon get stronger as this progresses. Sent some to Mom. Read it. Yes. Let's see what it says. Cat read the mail. Be good and look after the house with Grandpa and Slowpoke. Love, Dad. The Slowpoke with his tail cut off. Cat read the mail. Bro, these Slowpoke belong to someone. Okay, bet. I've been warming up my team specially for this. Coffee! Oh, that reminds me. I saw this coffee mug a while back. It had a picture of coughing on it and it said, coffee! I would love that. I would love to have a coffee mug like that in my studio for when I'm like, you know, a little bit lagging. I want to get a coffee mug with a Pokemon on it. Maybe that one that says coffee instead of coughing. Coffee. Oh, oh, crumbs. You know what? Let's just end this fight as quickly as possible. And let's go ahead and heal up Typhoon. I see he is hurting bad. There you go, buddy. I'll cure that after the battle. Let's just end this fight as quickly as possible. Ooh, question for you guys. Leave your answer in the comments below, but what do you think the goofiest looking Pokemon is? Honest to goodness, the goofiest looking one to me is Slowpoke. Just like, just has such a vacant stare, you know? And with that, we have saved the Slowpokes down in the well. Oh, I'll kick their booties next time, too. Yeah, Team Rocket was broken up 3 years ago. We continued our activities underground. Now you can have fun watching us stir up trouble. Mwahaha. Are you okay, Slowpokes? Way to go, Cat. Team Rocket has taken off. My back's better, too. Let's get out of here. Hey, how's your Slowpoke doing? The Slowpoke my dad gave me came back. Its tail is growing back, too. Yawn? Aww. So adorable. And, that concludes... Oh, look at all the Slowpoke! Hello! Aww. They're so goofy. They're so goofy. Okay, those are adorable. A little bit slow on the uptake, but they're adorable. So we're just gonna end it off in front of the gym, and next time on Cat Plays Pokemon Crystals. Pokemon Crystal. Oh, sorry. Next time on Cat Plays Pokemon Crystal, we will be taking on the Azalea Town Gym. Leader Bugsy, the walking bug Pokemon encyclopedia. Alright, next time we will be taking on this gym. But first, a little bit about this gym. Azalea Town Pokemon Gym, Leader Bugsy, the walking bug Pokemon encyclopedia. I guess they like bugs, whoever the gym leader is. We'll just end it off here for this episode, and I'm probably going to have to record the next episode about a week in advance, because I'm going on vacation next week. So I'm going to Atlanta next week. I probably won't be able to get out the next episode on time, so I may record the next episode early tomorrow. In the meantime, let's go ahead and save the game. And with that, I want to remind you guys that if you like this content, be sure to like the video, be sure to comment, to interact and comment. Maybe comment your favorite Pokemon, or something like that. But be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this. We do this every week, unless I'm on vacation, but I will be seeing you guys next time. Until then, so long, Dorklings!